If you are new to my channel, then subscribe and press the bell icon to get early notifications.
Hello students, how are you? I am Sarika Arora, your English guest faculty. Today I will teach you tenses, its forms and usage. First of all, there are three types of tenses: present tense, past tense and future tense. First is present tense, and all these three types of tenses have also subtypes. First, present tense, and we can give it the another name, present indefinite tense. First, simple present. Second, present continuous. Third, present perfect. And fourth is present perfect continuous. Second tense, past tense. And this tense has also subtypes. First, simple past. Second, past continuous. Third, past perfect. And fourth is past perfect continuous. Third is future tense. And first, simple future. Second, future continuous, then future perfect, and then future perfect continuous. So, first of all, I'll tell you uses of simple present tense. Where we can use this type of tense? First, to express habitual action. It's our habit. It tells about our habit. For example, I get up early in the morning. कि मैं सुबह जल्दी उठती हूँ. Means it's my habit. I get up early in the morning. Second, to express a general truth, एक सच्चाई के लिए, the sun rises in the east, कि सूरज हमेशा पूर्व से उदय होता है. It's the general truth, right? Third, to express proverb. For example, barking dog seldom bite. It's the proverb. And fourth is in conditional sentences. Condition means main clause in the future tense. For example, if you work hard, work. In this word, simple present tense is used. If you work hard, it's condition. If you work hard, you will pass. तुम पास हो जाओगे. And we are using in the second part simple future tense. So these are the uses of simple present tense. So students, look at these sentences. First, I go for a walk. Second, we go for a walk. You go for a walk. They go for a walk. And he goes for a walk. She plays badminton. It helps us. So these sentences, simple statements, means assertive sentences in their affirmative form in simple present tense. So formation of affirmative sentences: subject plus verb, means I, we, you, they plus V1. V1 means first form of verb. We have used in this sentence I go. Go is the V1, first form of verb. And in these three sentences, we have used S or ES. So, I, we, you, they plus V1 first form of verb or any plural noun. Means students go for a walk. Students is plural verb. So, students go for a walk. Now, he, she, it or any singular noun or any pronoun plus V1 plus S or ES means we will use with he, she, it and any singular noun or any name or any pronoun. We'll use V1 means first form of verb, and with verb we will use S or ES. Look at these examples. He makes furniture. The carpenter makes furniture. So tell me, what is the difference between these two sentences? Makes and makes. He. We have already I have told you that we will use S or ES with he, she, it or any singular noun. So he makes. Make is V1 and we have used here S with V1 means verb. Second sentence, carpenter. Carpenter means carpenter is singular word and we have used here makes. So make is V1 and we have used here S with this verb. So he makes furniture, the carpenter makes furniture. So have you understand these two examples? Now I tell you affirmative, negative, interrogative, interrogative, negative. First, so look at the difference between these four types of I play, I don't play, do I play, do I not play. We have used here only play because I have told you that we'll use only V1 with I, we, you, they and any plural noun or pronoun. Second, in negative sense, we'll use don't. We'll use don't. And in interrogative, we'll use do before any subject. And in interrogative negative, we'll use do and after the subject, we'll use not. Second, he plays. He plays and we have used here S or ES with verb because he, she, it and any singular noun will use S or ES with V1. Second, in negative sense, we have used here doesn't and but in the first sentence we have used here don't. Then what is the difference between these two negative sense? Because we use don't with I, we, you, they and any singular noun we will use don't and he, she, it and any singular noun or pronoun we'll use doesn't. This is the difference between don't and doesn't. Third, in interrogative sense, same do and does. Do with I, we, you, they and plural noun and does with he, she, it and any singular noun. Fourth, interrogative negative. Same use do, does and after subject we have used here not. Now I am explaining this simple present tense with example. First, my mother dash to temple every day. Every day. Every day means it's habitual action. It's the mother's habit कि वो रोज मंदिर जाती है. तो then we will use here my mother with goes. Why we have used here goes? Because my mother is singular verb. Mother is singular noun. So we have used here goes. Second, I dash the answer to this puzzle. And we'll use here no because I, we, you, they and any plural noun will use only V1. So we have used here no. Cows dash grass. Verb is eat. Cows is plural noun. So we have used here eat. Cows eat grass because cows is singular noun. Fourth, whenever we go there, it dash rains. It dash rains. Why we have used here rains? Because he, she, it and with any singular noun we'll use S or ES with verb. The earth dash around the sun. The earth, its universal truth, earth revolves around the sun. The earth revolves around the sun. Earth is singular noun. So we have used here S with verb revolve. If you dash first, you will get a prize. So already I have told you that if there is any condition, if condition and the main conditional sentence is in future tense. If you dash first, then we'll use here simple present tense. If you dash first, you will get a prize. If you stand first. Why we haven't used here stands? Because I, we, you, they and with any plural noun we'll use only V1 means first form of the verb. Last sentence is she usually dash late. Usually. Whenever this word comes, usually, it's habitual action. We use only simple present tense. She usually comes late. With he, she, it, and with any singular noun, we use only simple present tense and with verb s or es. Clear? Thank you.